What if I told you that Audi just killed off one of their most iconic nameplates, only to bring it back as something completely different? Yeah, you heard that right. The A4 is gone, and in its place, we got the all-new 2026 Audi A5. And trust me, this isn't just a rebadge with a new number. This is a complete reinvention that's going to make you forget the A4 ever existed. So buckle up, because what Audi's done here is absolutely wild. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand why this might just be the most important sedan launch of the year. Let me start by saying this. The moment you lay eyes on this car, you know something's different. Audi's design language has always been about sophistication and restraint. But with the new A5, they've cranked up the aggression without losing that premium elegance we all love. And the best part? Every angle tells a different story.b. Let's talk about that front end, because wow, Audi really went for it here. That massive single-frame grille is wider and lower than anything we've seen on an A4, and it's not just for show. The hexagonal shape has been flattened out, giving it this menacing, road-hugging stance that screams performance. And those headlights? Forget everything you knew about Audi's lighting game, because these new Matrix LED units are sharper, more angular, and feature this incredible digital daytime running light signature that literally looks like it's pulsing with energy. The air intakes flanking the grille aren't just decorative either. They're functional, feeding cool air to what's hiding under the hood. Speaking of which, Audi's fitted this beast with new mild hybrid 4-cylinder turbo that pushes out around 270 horsepower. And for those who want more, there's whispers of an S5 variant that'll make your hair stand on end. The hood has these subtle character lines that flow seamlessly into the 8 pillars, creating this unbroken visual flow that's pure automotive poetry. Now slide over to the side profile, and this is where the A5 really differentiates itself from its predecessor. The roofline is slightly lower and more coupe-like, even on the sedan, giving it that 4-door coupe aesthetic that everyone's chasing these days. But here's the twist. Audi's managed to do this without sacrificing headroom or rear passenger space, which is straight-up engineering wizardry. The shoulder line runs the entire length of the car, creating this taut, muscular appearance that makes the A5 look like it's moving even when it's standing still. Those wheels? We're looking at 19-inch standard, but you can option up to 21-inch rims that fill out those wheel arches perfectly. The flush door handles pop out when you approach with the key, maintaining that clean, aerodynamic profile. And check out those quattro badges on the front fenders, reminding everyone that this beauty comes with Audi's legendary all-wheel drive system as standard. The side mirrors are slimmer, more aerodynamic, and house cameras for the available virtual mirror system. Step inside, and you're transported into what Audi calls their digital stage. And folks, this is next-level stuff. The centerpiece is a massive curved display that combines an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system, all under one piece of glass. The quality of materials is exceptional. Soft touch surfaces everywhere, real aluminum or with trim, depending on your spec, and ambient lighting with 30 different color options that can sync with the music you're playing. The seats are incredibly supportive, available in leather or Audi's new sustainable fabric options, and they come with heating, ventilation, and massage functions on higher trims. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either. There's genuine legroom back there, USB-C ports, and separate climate controls. The panoramic sunroof floods a cabin with natural light, and the available Bang & Olufsen sound system with 3D audio will make every drive feel like a concert. So there you have it, the 2026 Audi A5 in all its glory, starting around $50,000 and climbing into the 60s for fully loaded models. This is Audi making a statement that luxury sedans aren't dead. They're just evolving. What do you think? Is this the new benchmark for premium sedans? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive goodness. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.